Today is the day, so we are on our way to get the possession of the apartment. Finally, we've been chasing this for around 3 months and it's finally happening, and I have everyone here with me. Dad is driving and yeah, so we'll be there. So next time I see you, hopefully we'll be getting possession. So today's day 2 of owning a house, and we had to wait outside the door for like 15 minutes, just trying to figure out which key works out, and I just didn't know which key is for what, so had to finally figure that out. And then today is the day when all of the people are figuring out the measurements. Wait, I'm gonna talk here. So everyone's figuring out measurements. We're getting measurements taken. That wall you see over there is gonna be broken, so we need to figure out what to do about that. So we're breaking that wall. We're also getting like false ceiling, and electrician is here, the carpenter's here. We're gonna do like some molding on this wall. So I have someone taking measurements in the kitchen because I want to get like modular fitting, and we're just trying to figure so much out. Today's the day that we move. It is my last day in this house. It's 26th of January. So I am just feeling all kinds of things. It still hasn't settled in yet. I think once the packers and movers kind of come in and start packing, I feel like it will start feeling real. Yesterday we had our puja at the new house, so that was quite nice. It went really well. And then today I actually already started decluttering and went and like sort of segregated stuff in my work room, which I'm going to show you in a bit. I've kind of put everything in there. I'm not taking those boxes with me, so kind of cleared those. Don't even know what to do about this anymore. These are all of the like expired, old, used up products. All of these drawers are empty. Are you feeling scared? Right, so it's the next day and things are still chaotic. I have moved to a temporary place because my place needs to be ready before I move in, and I moved all of my boxes into that place, which didn't turn out to be the best decision ever because it's only going to slow down the renovation process. So I need to now look for a storage or figure out a way to work around everything. And I am losing hair over it. I am super stressed, but for now I have moved to an apartment, but I'm just headed to my own apartment right now. Actually, I'm headed to a mall where I'm gonna shop a little bit for essentials. Like I do need groceries in this house, so I need to like buy and pick up some stuff. My maid actually gave me like a nice long list of things that I needed in the house, so I'm gonna go do that and also go to the new house and figure out a way to kind of store all of my boxes and also figure out how long it's gonna take. I might meet Siddhi and our mom. Siddhi is helping me with the apartment. She's the one who's actually decorating it and doing the interiors. So her and her mom would be there today, so hopefully that works out too. I've also had some really nice meetings with a lot of modular kitchen brands, so hopefully I am able to fix on to one brand and figure out the way forward. So yeah, that's everything in my mind. I feel like I've literally brain dumped right now in this vlog, but that does actually make me feel better. Off to the mall now. So we've made this into like a nice breakfast bar area. We're gonna place bar stools here, and we've put like a nice black marble. You can't really tell right now, but once it's clean, it's gonna look better. So we have removed the tiles and the countertop and everything for the kitchen. So we're gonna retile everything. So this is where the gas is going to be. This is the spot for the chimney. We have our microwave and OTG coming here. And then this is what the progress of the breakfast bar looks like. On the inside, we have a lot of storage space. Today I'm going to show you the bathroom. We are planning on getting that done as well. So this is what it looks like before. We have like a really big mirror in here, the entire wall, and then we have this sink, which is pretty basic for now. We have some good slab space as well. So maybe we'll change in the color scheme, and the area behind me, I want to make that an entire skincare cabinet wall, because I do have quite a lot of products that I use and try, and so I feel like this entire wall could be used as a storage space. So yeah, that's what we're discussing today. So we're here to check out tiles today, and we've kind of shortlisted these two here for the accent wall. Yeah, I like this gray.
Yeah,
It'll be like a nice break, no?
yeah, something about the texture, which is like it's a metallic finish. So basically, this on the floor, this or this on like in the shower accent area, this on the floor, and this with the wall.
So either this
or
or
this
this
on
on
the
the floor. Okay. I like this a lot.
And I love this.
So I think I like this and that. This now, see, on camera I can tell that there's a difference, but that one is going really well.
So everything that you just watched has been happening in like the span of 1.5 months, and this is my face while I edit this vlog. I think it just made me so nostalgic. Just a few updates. The house that I'm currently in doesn't really have any Wi-Fi because I'm living here temporarily, so it's really difficult for me to get like a regular Wi-Fi connection, and I've been trying to look for like a good dongle because I feel like I'm so behind on like my YouTube schedule. I haven't been able to upload anything. I still don't have Wi-Fi, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I hope I'm able to upload this video as soon as I'm like done editing it. Other than that, right now what you last saw is the last update on the house. I'm still kind of indecisive about the tiles that I want to do in the bathroom. The kitchen is being like done by Wurfel, so the kitchen, like the modular parts, have just gone on to production. It's going to take 30 days, and the day of dispatch, and not delivery, like the day of dispatch is 3rd of April, and we're currently in March right now. So all of February just went in doing like the fall ceiling and all of that. And yeah, so right now I think I might have to stay in this house for 1 more month. I'm hoping by the end of March or like the beginning of April I can move into my house. Yeah, and once the kitchen is here, it'll also take like at least 2 more weeks for that to get done. Right now we're working on like the plumbing and hopefully like the ceiling is done. So all of that I will update in my next vlog. I think my next vlog would also be something that I'm supremely excited about. It's going to be an Ikea vlog. I will finally visit the Ikea store in Mumbai. I was checking to get an appointment and I realized that you don't have to take any appointment anymore for weekdays, and I was actually hoping to go today, but like the timings were not working out with Sippy and me. I also had a few things to kind of figure out, so maybe we're going to Ikea tomorrow and I'll obviously vlog that. I'm so excited to go to Ikea. But yeah, that's it for this vlog. It was like bits and pieces of like a few progress throughout February and March. Sorry about all that commotion. Sushi and Shadow are like having the zoomies. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this vlog. This is part 1 and I'm so excited for you guys to watch the next process and show you like proper before and after. And thank you so much. I hope you're still subscribed to my channel. I'm so sorry about the lack of videos. I really don't have internet. But if you want to still keep in touch, then you can obviously follow me on my Instagram. I'm supremely active on there. You can check out my stories for all of the house updates and anything else that has been going on with Sushi and Shadow and me. And that's it for this vlog. I will see you in the next one. Bye.